Hello everybody, what is up? It is me, Fast Fireboy, back here with another video. And today, we have got a thing we will be unboxing. Pyra and Mythra amiibo. And I am very happy that I finally managed to find these. Quick story. So, originally when these were released, I mixed up the release dates and thought it was the 30th that they were going to release of July. So then on the 29th, I looked on YouTube to see if anyone had gotten it early, only to realize that I mixed up the release date. And then when I tried to find these, I was not able to because they were sold out everywhere. But yeah, yesterday my dad found this at GameStop. It was the last one there, so yeah, thanks Dad. And also, quick thing before I unbox this. No, I am not a simp. I just made these in Smash. But yeah, let's get these unboxed. Let me just grab out a box cutter. If I can get it in. Oh, did I? That's the third time I break into the cardboard. Seeing this in person, I'm only realizing how big this packaging is, seeing it in person. Why won't it go in? Ladies and gentlemen, I am experiencing some technical difficulties here. But I will somehow manage to open this. Okay. Oh, I scratched the no. Just cut it. Just cut in. Come on, I wanna. Just open, please.
2,000 years later.
Oh, I need to stop breaking stuff. Okay. Yeah, but I am pretty glad to find out that they are restocking these, because when I saw that pre-orders were up, they were already sold out. Like, I wasn't even able to pre-order it. Alright, let's take these out of the packaging. And actually, this is pretty nice artwork on the box. But yeah, oh frick, I just hit something. Let's. Now, I actually just realized something. I now own the amiibos of all of my mains in Smash, and you might be wondering who I main. I main Mario, I main Joker, I main Violet, and I main Pyra and Mythra. So yeah, I have these. I feel like something's gonna. Oh wait, I could just slide it out. Yeah, the new amiibos and restocked amiibos, they don't have the little plastic thing down here anymore. It's interesting, but it's not really anything to cry about. But I'll move this right here. Here we've got the these look amazing. Hey, let's just start off with Pyra. I gotta say, these are some pretty nice details. Everything, some of the parts of her are like shiny, like the legs. Hey, let me just break my phone. The legs are like shiny. Then we have all of her thingies and stuff. Then she wears a lot interesting stuff. And then she has a bunch of stuff here. The face is pretty good and accurate. She has whatever these things are. And then she is supported by a clear stand, which once again I do not really care about that. Then we have a tiny one right here that's supporting her. But, oh wait, and I forgot. So the sword is pretty good. You know, the paint job on this is pretty well done. Sword has nice details on it, you know. The amiibos are just really good. Like, the quality, they're pretty good. But yeah, that is Pyra. And now on to Mythra. She kind of has the same pose as Pyra, but like it's mirrored. But yeah, once again, held up by a clear stand. Small one here, and no, really nice detailing on her clothes and stuff like that. Also her sword. Oh, this looks so good. Then we have the hair. You know, these do have some pretty good detailing. But yeah, that is my unboxing and my review of the Pyra and Mythra amiibos. Yeah, these are some pretty good amiibos. And also, on my gaming channel, I do have 3 videos planned to come out. And one of them will be centered around Pyra and Mythra, because it may or may not be an amiibo training video, along with a few other recent amiibos I got. And the other one is a Smash Bros. Challenge video, and the other one is a FNF video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, this is like the second time I'm only remembering to do this now. I have to put these on my amiibo shelf. So we shall put Pyra here, and we put Mythra if she fits. There we go. Okay, now actually, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.